Hi guys, let's see how to link the data between two Google Sheets. So let's say you have a set of data and you want to link it to a different Google Sheet so that if anything changes here, that can be reflected there also. So how to do this? Open a new spreadsheet. Okay. Now we will use import range function. Okay. Now just double click on the first cell, type equals to, then type import range. Okay, so this is the function import range. Okay, now if you are unable to see the details here, you can click on the question mark and this will open like this, and click on this to expand this. Now what does import range do? Here there is one spreadsheet URL. This is the first input, and the second input is range string. So spreadsheet URL, so let's say you want to link this spreadsheet, you can copy this whole URL and just enter between the double quotes. And second one is range string. So here if you select it, this comes from A1 to B16. Okay, this is the whole thing, but you have a format to write this. I will tell you step by step. So the first thing, the World Cup, is the sheet name. Okay, so here in this case the sheet name is sheet 1, so we'll write sheet 1, then this symbol, and then the range. Okay, now there is also an easy way to do this, which is more simpler. That is, just select the whole data, click on data, and then click on named ranges, and just name this as anything. Okay, anything, whatever you wish. Now once you have named it, now you can simply write details here. Okay, so let's start. First double quotes. Please note that you can either copy the whole URL or simply the key between these two slashes. This, alphanumeric key, you can put this also between the double quotes, and after that comma, then double quotes, and you have written the name ranges, and then close the bracket. Now once you will do it for the first time, it will show you like this ref, but when you will hover your mouse over this will pop up and click on allow access. So you just need to allow access, click on it, and it will load your data. Okay, like this. Now if anything changes here, let's say you want to change this to a different detail and save it, it will automatically appear here after a few seconds. Okay, so this is how you can use the import range function in Google Sheets. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. Please